Good morning, James. I'd like to introduce you to my old friend. This is a McCormick Farmall 440. And this is the first tractor that I drove. I started driving this when I was 9. And this is what it looks like. Steering wheel. This is your gas. Choke. This is how you turn it on. This is your starter. So let's see if we can get her cranked up, shall we? Okay, so we're going to pull out the choke, give it a little gas, turn on the lights. Looks like we got good lights coming up here, indicator lights, and we hit the starter button. Here we go. So on this side, we have a pedal. That's called the clutch. On this side, we have brakes. One for the left side and one for the right side. So to make this thing go, we give it a little gas. We push down the clutch. We put it into gear right here. Slowly let off the clutch. And there we go. Okay, when we're doing some more work, we'll show you the back end works, but there's the introduction to the Farmall 404 tractor.